Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to download Woodoku application on your iPhone. So in order to do that, first open your App Store from your app drawer. Go to the search box and type in Woodoku in the search box. Doing this will bring up the search result. Tap on this application from triple dot studios that says Woodoku Woodblock Puzzles. Tap on the Get button to begin the download. Once the application is downloaded, tap on the Open button to open the game. Go through the tutorials soon after you open up the game and you'll be able to start your game right away. That is how you should be able to download the Woodoku application on your preferred mobile device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.